Hey everyone, it's Kim, Angel Dream Crafts, and I'm here with another entry for my pocket challenge. This is entry number 13, and it's from the lovely Antoinette. And Antoinette Spiteri, I believe, I hope I pronounced your last name right. And I will put a link to her YouTube channel down in the description box below. And this came all the way from Malta, which is in Italy, I believe, or off the coast of Italy. And so it's come a very long way, so I'm excited about it. So let me open up. I just cut it open and we'll take out what's inside. And she's got everything wrapped really well for its long journey. So let me just get some scissors here and cut this open. Oh my goodness, okay. Everything looks great from its long journey, Antoinette, so... Aw, this is probably my pockets, and that says a gift for you. So let's do the pockets first. So excited. Antoinette is such an amazing crafter. Look at this beautiful little glitter flower here. I love that. And I love this tissue paper, so we're going to try and save it. Love the polka dots. Oh my gosh. Look at these, you guys. Wow. Oh my gosh. Oh, this is a card. Oh, wow. Look at this paper. This looks like handmade paper. Oh my gosh, that is beautiful. And look at the appliques here and all these gorgeous flowers. Oh, Antoinette, this is gorgeous. Oh, and it opens like that. Look at Oh, I love it. So pretty. Okay, let me see here. Hi, Kim. This is my entry. Thank you for letting me enter your challenge. It's nice that you can share things with others. I'm more a lace person. I'm more as a lace fabric person, but I love doing some paperwork too. Enjoy your challenge. Antoinette. Facebook page, The Lace Box. Oh, okay. So I will put a link to her Facebook page as well in the description box there for you guys. Oh my gosh, I love this paper. Oh, what a beautiful card. Thank you, Antoinette. That's just gorgeous. Wow. Thank you so much. Okay, let me get the tissue paper moved. Oh, I love that. That's beautiful. Okay, so her pockets. So this one we'll do first, and this looks like a paper pocket. And it has got beautiful lace on the front here, so let's undo that. I love how you've done this. Now, does this open? Yes. Oh, look. Look, look, look. How cool is that? I love it. And there's a place to journal in here. Oh, and the paper and everything is just gorgeous. Love this image. And a beautiful shabby flower here. And look at this lace here. Look how pretty that is. Love this paper. It's so vintage looking. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait to make journals and lace books with all of these pockets. They're just going to be amazing. This is so beautiful. Isn't it gorgeous? I love how you did that it ties up. It's so different. Love it. Thank you, Antoinette. Oh, that's gorgeous. Love it. And here we have another paper one. Oh my gosh. And I believe she's done this in the same style with this beautiful satin ribbon here. Oh, it's so soft, this ribbon. It's incredibly soft. And there is the front. And look at this beautiful little pink trim here. And some flat backs, a flower here. And then she's got some other little flowers. I don't know if she cut those or Beautiful lace. Absolutely gorgeous. And look at this paper with the pink roses on it. Oh, I love this paper. The papers you're using are just amazing. Amazing. And then, of course, just let me pull that through. I think this might open up. Yes, it does. Look at this. It opens this way. And then it opens again this way. Oh my gosh. And then that way. Let me just pull the strings through. And you can see, look at that. Fantastic. Oh, I love it. I love how you did that. Oh my gosh, that would be just so incredible in a book. Wow, these are amazing. Oh, Antoinette, you've done just a spectacular job on these. Look at that. I love that. Lots of places to journal on there. Wow. Oh, that's just beautiful. Thank you so much. And then these, oh my goodness, are her lace pockets. Oh, check it out. Look at how beautiful that is. Oh, this lace is amazing. It's so vintage feeling. And it's on this beautiful, very blush pink paisley pattern. I don't know if the camera will even pick it up. Oh, I think I left my autofocus on. Sorry. Let me just adjust that. I'm terrible for that. There we go. So I hope the camera will pick that up. It's just a very blush pink background and then an even lighter pink paisley pattern. Oh, it's beautiful fabric and it's all sewn. But look at these laces. Oh my goodness. Just beautiful. And then she's made a bow out of the same lace down here, I believe. Or very similar. Oh, it's beautiful. And then she's got this beautiful trim here. Look at that. And then you flip it open. And look at here. Oh my gosh, look at this. Wow. I love how you've done that. Oh, and there's even some pearls under there. Oh, that's beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. And here is some more gorgeous lace and then more here. And it's a beautiful, nice deep pocket. Oh, Antoinette, this is beautiful. Absolutely stunning. Wow. Look at that, guys. Just gorgeous. Oh my gosh. Beautiful. And then here is another one she's done in fabric. Beautiful fabric again. Wow. Absolutely stunning. And I love that you've used a little bit of green on here. I just love that. So she's used more of this beautiful trim that she used on the card that's applique. It's absolutely stunning. And then this beautiful lace. And then she's made a beautiful flower here with some folded, looks almost like a linen, and then lace. And then she's got some eyelash trim that's iridescent in between it. And then some beautiful little flowers that she's made here. And then a bow up here with more of the little flower pieces. More of that gorgeous satin ribbon. It's so soft. And more of that beautiful applique trim. Look at this flower. It's so pretty. Absolutely stunning. And then more of that beautiful lace there. Again, it's all sewn. And look at this beautiful fabric here. Oh, that's gorgeous. Oh, I love it. I love it. It's just beautiful. Look at beautiful, nice deep pockets. These are amazing. Oh my gosh, Antoinette, girl, you are just incredible. You know, I said this last time I had a challenge. When you hold somebody's art in your hands, it's one thing to see it, but it's another to hold it. It's really quite moving. Thank you so much. These are just incredible. All of your pockets are just beautiful. Thank you so much. Wow. Thank you so much for those, Antoinette. And this says a gift for you, which you did not have to do, but I appreciate it, of course. So let me just, she's got a little gold flower on this one, so let me just get that off of here. And then we can keep the tissue paper. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness, Antoinette. Oh my goodness. Oh, let me get rid of the tissue paper for a sec. Look at this, you guys. Look at this. She's made a box. Oh, wow. Oh, and my favorite color. Oh my gosh, Antoinette, this is beautiful. Oh my goodness. So it's got a window there, and she's gone around with all this beautiful lace. And then this lace here with the pearls on it, but look at these appliques here on the corners. Those are amazing. Oh my goodness, my friend, you did not have to do that, but thank you. Oh, I love it. Oh, it's so pretty. Look at how beautiful that is. Let me just take the lid off here so you can see. I think it's supposed to go that way. Look at this girl. How adorable is she? Oh, it's just beautiful. And then she's got this beautiful trim around here as well on the side, and then on the side of the box. Oh, wow. Antoinette, thank you so much. And she's made flowers. Look at. Oh, these are beautiful. This is one of my favorite types of flowers, actually. Is the folded kind like this, but I love this fabric. It's like a linen kind of. Oh, they're beautiful. And then she's got one in blue. Look how beautiful these are. Those would look gorgeous on the front of a journal. Absolutely beautiful, or a fabric book. Oh, Antoinette, your flowers are amazing. Just beautiful. Oh, wow. Love this fabric. Oh, those are gorgeous. Thank you so much. Oh my gosh, you put lace in here too. Oh, my friend, thank you. Oh, look at this. Okay, so laces from Malta, like, wow. Look at, absolutely gorgeous. Is that the right way? It's so beautiful, I can't tell. Maybe this way. Yeah, this way. Yeah, absolutely gorgeous. Look at this. Oh my gosh, that is so beautiful. Oh, amazing, amazing. These will be very cherished. Thank you, Antoinette. And then, oh, she added some of this beautiful lace that she used on one of her pockets. Look at that. Absolutely stunning and so soft. So incredibly soft. Oh, it's just beautiful. Oh my goodness, Antoinette. Thank you so much. And then a beautiful crocheted one. Oh my gosh, you sent lots. Oh my goodness, look at this. Absolutely beautiful. And again, super soft. That looks vintage. Oh, it's beautiful. Oh my gosh. Thank you so much, Antoinette. You're amazing. And then, oh, this beautiful piece. Oh my goodness, look at this. Wow. Look at this. Absolutely stunning piece of lace fabric. Oh, wow. Oh, Antoinette, it's beautiful. Oh my goodness. And it's got all the top stitching on top. Oh, it's just beautiful. Look at the flowers. Oh my gosh. Wow. Oh my goodness, girl. Thank you so much. I'm so appreciative of that. Thank you so much. And there is the box. Let me just show you that again. There's the box. Look at how beautiful that is. Oh my gosh, that's going to go on my shelf in my craft room. It's so beautiful. Thank you so much for that. Oh my gosh. Let me put everything back in there. Just gorgeous and amazing. Thank you so, so much. And your beautiful flowers. Absolutely gorgeous. And the card. Oh my goodness. And your amazing pockets. These are all just beautiful. Absolutely stunning and gorgeous. So you can see this lady is so talented. Please go and sub to her on YouTube and go and check out her Facebook page. The links will be in the description box below. Thank you so much, Antoinette. I appreciate you sending me this all the way from Malta, and I'm so thrilled that it got here. And everything is just magnificent. So thank you for that. And I will be back with another video shortly, guys. So take care and go and check out Antoinette's links. See you soon. Bye for now.